Welcome to today's video. We're visiting Lanzarote, an island where land once devastated by volcanic eruptions has transformed into a paradise for grape cultivation and unique wine production. But that's not all. We're also going to explore the fascinating process of growing and processing raisins. Let's begin this exciting journey. Lanzarote, a small volcanic island off the coast of Spain, was once heavily devastated by eruptions in the 18th century, leaving the land barren and uninhabitable. But miraculously, the mineral-rich volcanic ash gradually transformed the island into fertile land, perfect for agriculture. Today, Lanzarote is famous for its vineyards grown on volcanic soil. With its unique climate, minimal rainfall, and harsh weather conditions, this place has surprisingly become a paradise for grape growth, making it one of the most unique wine-producing regions in the world. Growing grapes on volcanic soil is no easy task. The first step in this challenging process is to prepare the land, which on Lanzarote means digging deep holes into the black volcanic ground. Can you believe it? These holes actually help protect the vines from the strong winds constantly sweeping across the island. Once the holes are dug, farmers plant the vines deep into the fertile soil. The black volcanic soil on the surface, though low in nutrients, plays a crucial role in cultivation. Its porous nature helps retain moisture from the rare rainfall and early morning dew, providing the necessary water for the vines to survive. And as if this weren't challenging enough, the locals build stone walls around each hole to shield the vines, like little fortresses, protecting them from the wind-blown sands. This traditional farming method requires immense effort, as every step from planting to caring for the vines is done by hand. It not only requires patience, but also dedication and a profound understanding of the land. When the grape clusters ripen to perfection, with just the right sweetness and balanced acidity, they are perfect for producing high-quality wine. How fascinating is it that this perfect combination of external appearance and internal ripeness gives rise to the sophisticated and complex flavors that wine lovers everywhere crave? When it's harvest time, the whole process is done by hand. Can you imagine? The vineyards are set on rugged volcanic terrain where modern machinery can't reach, so farmers have to walk along each row, carefully picking every cluster. This requires precision and skill because even a small mistake can damage the grapes, affecting the quality of the wine. Each cluster is meticulously selected, ensuring that only the best grapes are used, so every drop of wine reflects the pure essence of this special variety. After harvesting, the grapes are transported to local wineries. You'll be amazed. Each year, Lanzarotte's vineyards produce about 2 million kilograms of grapes, an impressive number considering the harsh climate and labor-intensive farming methods here. The grapes are then sun-dried for about 7 to 14 days, a process that helps dehydrate the grapes, concentrating their sugars and flavors. This results in wines that are richer, sweeter, and incredibly flavorful. The process of making volcanic wine begins with pressing the grapes to extract the juice. This juice is then collected into containers to start the fermentation process, where the natural yeast in the grapes turns the sugars into alcohol. This process is carefully monitored to preserve the distinct flavors that reflect the volcanic minerals and the harsh climate of Lanzarote. After fermentation, the wine is transferred into oak barrels for aging, allowing the development of subtle flavors. Then, it is filtered, bottled, and sealed. Each bottle is the culmination of the farmer's hard work and dedication, embodying the essence of this unique land. Over time, these wines become even more complex, with the mineral richness of the volcanic soil becoming more pronounced. Volcanic wine is known for its mineral complexity, with a taste unlike any other wine in the world. Grapes grown under Lanzarotte's harsh conditions create wines that are both powerful and delicate, with flavors that linger long after each sip. The combination of natural elements and human effort results in a product that is not only delicious, but also a testament to the resilience of both the land and its people. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to explore fascinating aspects of farming and agriculture. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Welcome to From Field to Fork. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to explore the vast vineyards of California. This isn't just a place where billions of grapes are harvested each year, but it's also one of the most advanced agricultural regions in the world, where modern farming techniques and meticulous care come together. California is renowned for its sprawling vineyards, particularly concentrated in the southern region of the San Joaquin Valley. This area is not only the heart of America's grape production, but also a symbol of cutting-edge agriculture. The growing season begins in January and extends through February, a time when the fields are abuzz with activity as farmers prepare for the planting season. To start a new vineyard, workers must firmly drive stakes into the ground, install automated irrigation systems, and prepare the best conditions for the young grapevines. Imagine rows of newly planted grapevines, each delicate seedling carefully brought from the nursery to start its new life. With a planting density of about 900 vines per acre and a spacing of 7 feet between each vine, every plant has enough space to thrive while still maintaining a competitive edge. In 2021, California's total vineyard area reached an impressive 918,000 acres. A staggering figure that accounts for 95% of the nation's total grape-growing area. Once planted, these young vines are meticulously tied to stakes to encourage vertical growth, allowing them to bask in the sunlight and breeze. However, patience is required, as it takes at least 3 years for these vines to produce their first harvest. During the winter, vineyards that are 5 years old undergo a complete pruning process. This pruning not only removes weak or diseased branches, but also sets the stage for new growth in the spring, paving the way for a vibrant crop. As spring arrives, fresh shoots begin to appear, and farmers resume their careful work of trimming leaves to concentrate the plant's nutrients on the branches. Any young shoots sprouting from the base of the vine are removed to ensure the plant's energy is fully directed toward the main branches. May is a special time when the vines begin to bear fruit, one of the most eagerly awaited moments of the year. However, grape growing is far from simple, especially when it comes to dealing with pests and insects. To protect these young grape clusters from their attacks, pesticides are carefully and judiciously applied, ensuring the quality of the grapes when it's time for harvest. As the harvest season approaches, the plump, sweet grapes are ready for a bountiful harvest. This is when thousands of agricultural workers converge on the vineyards, equipped with sharp shears to handpick each grape cluster with precision. Only the best quality grapes are selected, while those that don't meet the standards are immediately discarded. For farmers, this might seem regrettable, but it is essential to ensure that only the finest grapes reach consumers. Every year, around 95,000 workers flock to California's vineyards during the harvest season, earning an average wage of about $18 per hour. It's a busy but exhilarating time when everyone contributes to producing these incredible fruits. After harvesting, millions of grape clusters undergo another round of inspection before being packed and distributed. Quality is always the top priority, making this process both rigorous and meticulous. In 2021, California produced 5.9 million tons of grapes, accounting for a remarkable 95% of the country's total grape production. This figure not only attests to the success of the grape industry in the state, but also reflects the tremendous economic value that grapes bring, with a value of approximately $5.2 billion. But California's grape story doesn't end with table grapes. The state is also famous for its vineyards dedicated to wine production. The harvesting process in these vineyards differs slightly, with grapes being harvested with less precision, but still maintaining the quality needed to produce world-renowned wines and juices. Once harvested, these grapes are immediately sent to factories to begin the production process, resulting in the wonderful products we enjoy every day. How do you feel about the journey from grape growing to harvest that we've just experienced? It truly is a labor-intensive and meticulous process, a harmonious blend of tradition and modern technology. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to join us next time when we visit the vineyards of California again. Goodbye, and see you next time.